In this video, I'm going to show you how to create and verify your ByBit account using your mobile phone. The first process is you just check the description section and the first link, just tap in the first link and it's going to take you right to this particular home page. Or you can check the comment section and just tap the first link you are going to see from the comment section. It's still going to take you to this particular page, alright, where you are going to create account. There are different ways which you can use to create a ByBit account. The first way is what? Using your email. Alright, you can either use your email to create a ByBit account or you use your mobile number. So in order for you to use your email, you just enter your email right here where they say email, and you enter what? Your password right here as well. If you want to use your mobile number, just tap in this section and you are going to see what? You just tap here and you write your country. All right, for you to select your country's code and you enter your number, and basically that's what you are going to do. All right, and you create your password. So let me just use my email to create what? A ByBit account, a new ByBit account, because I already have one. So I'm just going to enter my email. Let me just enter my email. Just follow the process. Alright, so now I've entered my email, Joseph Sesay SL1997@gmail.com. The next process is to create a password. For you to create a password, basically you have to meet 4 criteria. The first one is your password must be between 8 to 30 characters long. Okay. The second one, you have to have at least one uppercase or a capital letter, alright, when creating a password. The third criteria is to have at least one lowercase, which means a small letter, and the fourth criteria is at least one number from 0 to 9. So let me just create my password. So now, as you can see, all these ones are ticked in green because the criteria are being met. So this referral code, because you use my referral code, that's why you are seeing this particular number 59379. The benefit of using this is that ByBit is going to give you a welcome gift, alright, because you are using my affiliate link to create your ByBit account. Thank you for using my link. So the next thing you are going to do, whether you are using your email or you are using your mobile number, you are still going to do this particular process. And the next thing is you can also use Google or use your Apple to sign up with ByBit as well. So now what we are going to do is you just tap in get my welcome gift. So now it's verifying. Let's wait a little for the verification to finish, and they are going to send you what? A 6-digit code via your email, alright, which you are going to use to verify. Now you just drag this, okay, just drag this particular thing, alright. So this is the verification process. Just drag, just a minute. So I'll just drag this, make sure it fits in right in this particular box. Verification successful. So they are going to what? Send you, say please enter the verification code sent to the email. So now let's wait. Alright, so just check your email. So I'm using my phone, so I will check my computer. Alright, so let me just enter the code. It's 227070. So now you have to be fast about this, alright, because they are going to give you time for you to verify your account. So it's loading now. Just let's wait for a while. So make sure you have your email, you know your email, alright. The email is only valid for 5 minutes, alright. When they send your email, it's only valid for 5 minutes. So you have to be fast about this. Make sure you know your email and make sure you know your password to this particular email, because this is the email that they are going to be updating you from ByBit. So now it's loading. You are going to see something like this. Let's just wait. After, then we continue. I'm going to show you how to verify your ByBit account. So friends, our ByBit account is now being created. Alright, we are now in the ByBit platform. This is your new ByBit account. So now you can see a complete verification to deposit and win at the 5,000 or welcome gift. You can see what verifying now. So after like you have entered everything, you need to download what the ByBit mobile app. Okay, you must download the ByBit mobile app. So you can go to Play Store if you are using Android, or you can go to App Store if you are using iOS. And after which you can just enter your email and you enter your password. You are still going to arrive, all right, inside this your a new ByBit account. So now you can say complete verification. So now we tap in verify now. So now you see complete identity verification to access ByBit services. So these are the things you are going to benefit. They are basically different levels, alright, of verification. But for a beginner, you are basically going to start with verification what benefits level 1. So if you verify now, you are going to be able to what deposit money. As you can see from here, you are going to deposit money. You are going to also do trading. You are going to do P2P trading. I'm going to explain about all this. So if you have not subscribed to this channel, make sure you subscribe and you turn on the bell notification icon on for upcoming tutorials like this. Then the next thing is you can also be able to earn, all right, and you can deposit up to what your fiat deposit up to 20,000 what United States dollar and daily crypto withdrawal. So you can withdraw up to 1 million USDT. USDT is a stable coin, so you can basically what watch my episode 1 of this crypto beginners to know about the crypto terminologies. So the next thing you are going to do is what you tap what verify now. So verify your identity. I'm a Sierra Leonean currently based in Turkey, so that's why you are seeing Turkey. So you can basically just tab in here and select what your country. All right, so if you are from Nigeria, you are going to see Nigeria. If you are from Sierra Leone, when you created this account, you are going to see Sierra Leone or whichever country. So these are the documents that they are going to what use. All right, you can use any of these documents. The first one is what your ID card. If you have your national ID card from your country, you can use that. Okay, if you have your voters ID card or any ID card that is going to show like you, make sure you use your ID card. Or you can also use a passport. If you have an international travel passport, you can use your driver's license. You can also use, and also what a residence permit. If you are a student, let's say you are a Nigerian currently staying in Turkey or abroad, you can basically use what the residence permit. So these are the criteria that you must meet. You are not going like this ones, you can't use a student visa or a working visa or travel visa to verify. All right, just these documents above. So they are saying you can use what your ID card. You can, if you want to use passport, you just tab in passport. If you want to use your driving license, you tab what driving license. If you want to use resident permit, you use your tab resident permit. All right, so let's say we want to use our ID. So now you are going to press what? Tab in confirm. So it's going to load and it's going to take you to what? The verification portal. All right, where you are going to verify your document. So you can see say position the front of your document, all right, in the frame. So now I can't verify because you are only allowed to create one account. All right, you are only allowed to create one account. So let's say basically I want to use, let me just use this receipt. Let's say I want to use this. All right, you are going to take what the front of your ID card. You just use this. You take what you scan. Okay, like this. All right, so you scan like this is the front of your document. All right, and basically you just complete what verify now. So you just verify. After which then you are good to go. You are going to also get what a selfie. All right, you are going to get what a selfie. So basically this is what you can just basically like what do. When you do this, then you are what good to go. All right, just basically do the verification. Take the front of your phone, just tap in and take photo. Make sure it's clear and it's visible, and you turn at the back also because they want to see the expiration date. And after which you are what good to go. All right, you finish your verification. You can come here, tab at what the top here. Then you can see what you are going to see unverified for now, but after finishing this you are going to see verification. So now you can deposit what, $100, and you are going to get $10 bonus, and you can deposit total of what, total deposit $30 for you to get one chance. All right, so you have about three rewards you are going to basically like what, claim here. If I'm going to show you more stuff from ByBit, this is where you just tab in to change what, your name. All right, you just tab in here if you want to enter your nickname. Let's say I want to say this account, my nickname is what, JSA. It must be at least 5. So let's say Joseph. All right, I'll just tab in here, and after which I'll just like what, save. All right, let's say Joseph Sesay Concept, and after which you just tab in here and you what, save. All right, so current, then I'll explain also how to set in this your security. So now set up two-factor verification. As I mentioned, the free tool, that some of the tool that you are going to need is what, your Google Authenticator. So make sure if you have not watched episode 2 of this particular course, go to episode 2 and watch, so you know this is going to guide you, it's going to help you keep your phone safe. So if you want to, after your verification, now you what, you tab in two-factor. All right, so your security level currently is like very low. So now your email is here. You can also what, set up your mobile. All right, you just set up your mobile number. So basically you are just going to enter your phone number, and they are going to send you what, they are going to send you a like a code. All right, now you see verification code, please enter from your spam folder. They are going to send you from your email address. Check your email address, after which then they are going to allow you to enter, set up your phone number security. You add your phone number, this is your phone password. If you want to withdraw, don't worry, I'm going to talk about that, all right, in upcoming videos. And this is the Google. Go to Play Store if you are using Android, or you go to App Store if you are using iOS, and you download Google Authenticator app. Then you turn this on. For it to connect, they say verification code sent to your inbox. So you check again, you enter this email, then they are going to give you a code. When the code that they are going to give you, you just copy that code and you are going to paste. All right, you just paste this particular code to the Google Authenticator app, and basically you are set. So the code is going to change every 5 seconds. Okay, so guys, basically this is how you just what, create and you verify your ByBit account. I'm going to show you how you can deposit money into your ByBit account, how you can withdraw, and other things, how you can start trading and make a lot of cash from ByBit. So if you find value in this particular video, make sure you please subscribe, you like this video, share this video, and you drop a very amazing, all right, word in the comment section. Thanks so much guys, peace and light, see you on my upcoming videos. Thank you.